Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up Guardian, which is your virtual boundary, on Oculus Rift S. To do that, you need to go to Settings, which are on the bottom bar, then go to Guardian tab here, and now you can click on Set up Guardian. Then click on Continue, and now you'll need to set your floor level. To do that, go down to your floor and touch the floor with your controller. Now you can pick it up and stand up and click on Continue. Now define your play area. The minimum size of the play area is 3 by 3 feet, but the recommended one is 6.5 by 6.5. I'm gonna draw it on the floor. Make sure that your play area is safe. That means that there is no objects that may interrupt your play area. Then click on Continue. And now the garden is set. You can click on Finish and you can adjust various settings. You can enable or disable boundary and walls. You can reset Guardian, clear boundary history. You can also go to Guardian settings, sensitivity. You can change the sensitivity to controllers. So when your controllers go out of the Guardian zone, then you'll be alerted. And sensitivity to headset. So when your headset goes out of the boundary, you'll be alerted as well. And you can enable Guardian pass-through, so whenever you leave your Guardian boundary, a pass-through will be automatically enabled, so you can see your physical environment. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.